hi.
Hi.
How are you? How are you?
I'm fine, thanks, and you? I'm fine, thanks, and you?
I'm very well, thank you. I'm very well, thank you. What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Sarah, and what's your name? My name is Sarah, and what's your name?
My name is Tom. My name is Tom. Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from India, and you? I'm from India, and you?
I'm from the United States. I'm from the United States. Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in Vietnam, and you? I live in Vietnam, and you?
I live in Brazil. I live in Brazil. What city are you from? What city are you from?
I'm from London, and you? I'm from London, and you?
I'm from New York. I'm from New York. Are you here for the first time? Are you here for the first time?
Yes, I have never been here before. Yes, I have never been here before.
Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
Yes, I do. I can speak it a little. Yes, I do. I can speak it a little.
Can you speak English? Can you speak English?
Yes, I can, but I can't say that I speak it really well. Yes, I can, but I can't say that I speak it really well.
How long have you been here? How long have you been here?
For 2 weeks. For 2 weeks.
Do you like this place? Do you like this place?
Yeah, this place is really good. Yeah, this place is really good. Can you tell me how to get to this place? Can you tell me how to get to this place?
Sorry, I don't understand. Sorry, I don't understand. Would you like to live abroad? Would you like to live abroad?
Sorry, what do you mean? Sorry, what do you mean?
Okay, would you like to live in another country? Okay, would you like to live in another country?
Why not? Why not? What are you going to do tomorrow? What are you going to do tomorrow?
Well, I think I'll be free, so we can meet. Well, I think I'll be free, so we can meet. Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow?
Let me think, yeah. Let me think, yeah.
What about going to the restaurant? What about going to the restaurant?
That would be great. That would be great.
What are your plans for tomorrow? What are your plans for tomorrow?
I suppose I'll go to the park with my friends. I suppose I'll go to the park with my friends.
Can I join you? Can I join you?
Sure. Sure. What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday?
I went to work, then I went to a cafe. I went to work, then I went to a cafe.